Welcome to the second part of this review session on Microsoft Outlook 2013. In this video, we will start from question 27. Question 27 says print the calendar for the current month using Microsoft XPS document writer and save the file as planned. Use monthly style while printing. So we first go to the calendar. We choose practice calendar and then we go to file, print. And we choose first of all monthly style. We change the printer to what is mentioned in the question. We click on print, and now we're supposed to write the file name, which is plan, and we click save, and the question is complete. Question 28 says add any of the sample pictures in the body of the draft message for students. Save and close the message. So we go to the drafts message. We select the email for students. And in the body here, we're supposed to add any picture. So we go to insert, picture. In the exam, they may ask you to select a specific picture. But for now, let me select this one. So I've done that. And the question says that save and close the message. So be careful, it says save. So you first save and then you close. And the question is complete. Question 29, in the draft message for students, add hyperlink www.gus.edu.kw to the word here. Save and close. So we open the message. We select the word here, right click, hyperlink, and you type the link gus.edu.kw and you click OK. And keep in mind they want you to save and close, so you do that, and the question is complete. Question 30, set the message format for outgoing email to rich text. So you go to File, Options, Mail, and this is what we need to change. So instead of HTML, we change it to rich text, and we click OK. Question 31, open the meeting sales report. So we go to the calendar. In practice calendar, we search for sales report. So we open it. In the body, we write sorry, and cancel the meeting. So we click on cancel meeting. It says that the item has been changed. Still want to delete it? Yes. And the question is complete. Question 32, set options so that cleaned up messages are moved to the cleaned folder. So once again, we go to File, Options, Mail. So cleaned up items will go into this folder. So it's important, or it might be blank. So you need to change it to cleaned, and you click OK and OK once again. Question 33, set the project progress meeting to repeat every second Monday of the month and end after 8 months. So let us search. We are already in calendar, so let us search practice calendar. That's where we need to be. Practice calendar, so that's where we need to be. Let us search for project progress. So project progress. So we have the meeting visible now, so we open it. It says that set it to repeat every second month. So it means we need to set the recurrence. So we click on recurrence, every second Monday of the month. So recurrence pattern is monthly, second Monday of the month. Okay. And after 8 months. So and after 8. And since it's monthly, so occurrences here means month. So and after 8 months. And we click OK. And then we must save. So now the question is complete. Question 34. Set options so that all replies will have the original message attached. File, Options, Mail, This is what we need to change. So for reply, it says include original message text. So this is not the option. We're supposed to select attach original message. That is what the question says. So once we select attach original message, we click OK, and the question is complete. Question 35. Change the availability status of the lecture appointment on Wednesday, January 6th. So we search for lecture. Okay, that is the lecture. And okay, so what do we need to do to lecture? We need to first schedule it on Wednesday, January 6th. So Wednesday, January 6th. So we changed the date to what is mentioned. Okay. Wednesday, January 6th. And we're at noon time, so it means that it will be at 12 p.m. at noon, 12 p.m. Okay, so that's it. We don't have to change anything else in terms of duration and the date, so we've done that. But it says that from busy to free, so the show as, instead of busy, we need to choose free. So once we do that, then we save it, and the question is complete. Question 36. Change the arrangement of the default calendar so only the month view is displayed. So this is the default calendar. So you see we are only able to see day. So let's click on month, and the question is complete. Question 37. Create a new recurring meeting. So we click on new meeting. And since it is recurring, so we click on recurrence. So create a new recurring meeting that uses the following. When 9 a.m. to 9:30, so we change the time from 9 a.m. to 9:30, that's okay. Recurrence is monthly, every second Sunday, so it's second Sunday, and after 6 occurrences. So we set this, we click OK. The subject is supposed to be monthly meeting. We're supposed to send it, it says attendees, we're supposed to send to these attendees operations group. So we click on 2 and we choose operations and we click OK. And the location is room 101. So now we have everything done. It says send the invite, so we'll click on send. Question 38. Disable live preview. We go to file, options, and we remove this checkbox which says enable live preview, and we click OK, and the question is complete. Okay, now it says forward the sales report meeting scheduled for Sunday, December 25 at 10 a.m. to Faisal Hamid. Send the invite. Sorry, okay, I just looked at a different question, so this is not there. So the next question is apply the IN theme to the 4 students email message located in the drafts folder. Send the message. Drafts folder for students. I open the message. I go to I need to change the theme. So for changing the theme, we go to options. So the theme that we're supposed to apply is iron. So I change it to iron and send the message. So this time I click on send. Okay, question 40. Add the note meeting organized to the operations contact group, save and close the group. So we go to contacts, we open the operations group, and we need to add a note. So we click on notes, and the note is meeting organized. So I type that meeting organized. We have to type it exactly as given, and save and close. So we click on save and close. Okay, next question. Assign the create project charter task Tariq Jamal, send the task. So we go to tasks and create project charter. We have that task, so we open it. We click on assign task. It is supposed to be assigned to Tariq Jamal, so we choose that person and we click on send. So if it wants us to confirm, we click yes, and the question is complete. Okay, next question, question 42. Edit the existing rule named Hamid Majid. So we go to rules, manage rules and alerts. We open the rule. So what are we supposed to do? It says that also marks the email as high importance. So we need to change its action. So this is the condition. We click next. This is the action. So we need to also add another action which marks the email as high importance. So we choose this, marks it as importance, and the importance is supposed to be high. So we set that and we click finish and we click OK. Question 43. Change the navigation bar options so that the tasks item is the second item from left in the display order. So we go here and we click on navigation options. So the tasks should be second from the left. So we need to move it up. So now it's second from the left. We click OK. So this is what we were supposed to do. The first one is mail, and then now we have the tasks. So this is question 43. Okay, question 44. Add a new category to the outdoor week email that uses dark teal as its color. Okay, so this email is most probably in the inbox folder. So let us search for it. Outdoor week. So yes, we open the email and we're supposed to add a new category. So we click categorize. We don't have dark teal in this list. So we click on all categories and we create a new, and we are supposed to name it dark teal. So we write the name dark teal and we choose the color also dark teal. This is teal, so this is dark teal. You click OK and make sure that after you add this it is selected. So if it's not selected, it will not apply to this message. So make sure it is selected and click OK. So now we have it attached to this email. So you click save and then in the exam you click next, but for now I'm going to close the email. Okay, 46. Create a new blank calendar and name it personal. Configure it so that the folder contains mail and post items. So we go to calendar and here we click on my calendars and add calendar. No, we're not supposed to add calendar. So we right click here and we click on new calendar. So the name of the new calendar is given, personal, and it is supposed to have mail and post items. And we click OK, and the question is complete. Question 47. Add an orange category to Ahmed Jum'a contact. So we go to contacts here, or contact. Contacts are found in people, so we go to people, and the contact that we're supposed to change is Ahmed Jum'a. So we open Ahmad Juma and we categorize it. So the category is orange. So we click on orange. It just confirms that this is the category that you want to use. So we click yes. And once it is added, we click save and the question is complete. Okay, question 47. Configure junk email options to block all messages from Jasim Rajab. Okay, for that we go to mail first, junk email options, blocked senders. So you go to blocked senders, add, and then you add this person's email, Jasim at abc.com, and you click OK, and you click OK once again. Configure Outlook so that the spelling is not checked as you type. So you go to File, Options, and we need to set the option so that the spellings are not checked. So I believe we should find it in the advanced section. Okay. Okay, so it's not in the advanced. Let me check here. Okay. So these are the options for spellings. So we click on spelling and we remove this option which says check spelling as you type. We click OK and we click OK once again. Question 50. Save the graduation pictures email as a text file in Documents folder. Use the default file name. So graduation pictures, this is the email. We open the email. We go to File, Save As. We are in the Documents folder. So we change it to the format given in the question, which is text. And we're supposed to keep the default name, so we don't change that. We just click Save and the question is complete. Okay, question 50. Export the inbox folder as an Outlook data file. Save the file to the default folder with the name inbox without using a password. So we go to File, Open and Export. So we click on Import and Export. We're supposed to export to a file. So we click Next. Outlook data file, that is the type mentioned in the question. We select it and we click Next. Inbox. So this is what we need to export. And it says that export the inbox folder as an Outlook data file. Save the file to the default folder with the name inbox. So we simply click Next. And the name of the file here should be inbox. So make sure that you change just the name, not the extension. So at the end it should be .pst. You just change the name, and in the name inbox I is capital, so you type that, and then you click finish. It says without using a password, so don't type anything, just click OK, and the question is complete. Okay, last question. Apply a new category to the Middle East Excellency email. So let us search for this email, Middle East Excellency. Okay, so we open the email. And we're supposed to add a new category. Okay, so we go to Categorize, All Category, New. The name of this category is important. So we type the name. And the color is dark teal, so we select both and make sure that this is selected and click OK. So now we have assigned the category. So with that, we have completed all the questions in the review session of Outlook 2013.